You're welcome back. If you just joined us, you're watching Business Morning. We're coming to you live from Channels Television, broadcasting from Lagos. We're now being joined by some market experts, some capital market experts. We have to my immediate left is Mr. Dagogo Iyomo. He is a stockbroker. He is also the CEO at Milestone Capital Management. Thank you, Dagogo, for coming on the program. And to my far left, Mr. Boniface Okezie. He is the president of the Progressives Shareholders Association. Thank you.
Yeah, Bolaji, my pleasure. Happy New Year in advance to the audience, the viewers.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
We're going to start by reviewing the year. And it's been a very eventful year, quite volatile. I want to believe that it was also volatile. I'm going to start with Mr. Dagogo. What's your view about the performance of the capital markets in 2014?
Well, thank you, Bolaji. Very clearly, the market has had a very difficult year, 2014. The expectation was that from the beginning, it wasn't going to be as rosy as 2013 was. We were looking at about, about 10%, move. But we've seen a very, very difficult year. Soon after the January period, we saw starting CBN issues around the governor, Sanusi, Lamido Sanusi. February was difficult, March. We only saw a bit of light in the second quarter, and the third and the last quarter, especially this last quarter, has been very traumatic for investors and market participants. We are hoping that we can see through this year very quickly. Today is almost it's the end of 2014. I think most participants and investors would wish that 2014, runs through very quickly, and hope that 2015 will come with new expectations. Yeah.
Okay, let me hear from Mr. Okezie. What's your take about the capital market for this year?
Some large extent, the market was being bearish. The second quarter, here we're seeing it fluctuating. All of us were hoping that the market will continue to rally point, as it did towards 2013. But that can never be, and the market have been nosediving. Even at 2015 first quarter, maybe first or second quarter, we'll continue to witness it in 2015. It's not a big hurry for any investors, but that's not to say that people operating in the capital market are not doing well. The company, most of them are doing very well. And the dividend was even proposed this year, 2014. People got dividend. Some company also declared bonuses that would have run the point, the market. But I think those are managers of the economy should be able to ponder what went wrong. Okay, investor confidence are still not yet there in the local boss. The local investors are not even back into the market after what happened to them in 2009. Okay. When they say they have a reform in the industry, that will take a toll on among local investors. They are here to brace the market. All of us, the regulators, everybody keep clamping and happening on the foreign investors. Where are the foreign investors? The so-called portfolio investors are dumping the market. The Naira is fluctuating, or they devalued now. So people cannot stay put. The foreign so-called portfolio foreign investors, they all run away. They have made their money. Okay. The percentage they cannot get in their home country, they here, and when it goes to the point, they dump. But local investors who make the market a longer period than the so-called portfolio investors are nowhere. They are disappeared because government contributed, injuring them.
Okay.
Of course.
We will get back to all of this later, but let me hear from Mr. Dagogo. What were the lessons learned in the capital market for investors, for you as a stockbroker? And I'm sure you listen to your colleagues every day, and you get to hear what they have to say about the markets for this year. What were the lessons that we learned?
You see, the market itself, is doing, the structures of the market is being strengthened. The participants, there's a lot more discipline. There's a lot more understanding of, the dynamics of the market. In itself, the market is making progress. The market, which is a barometer of the economy, is being battered because the economy indeed is, the macroeconomic dynamics are are out of sync, okay? And that is the market is showing you. But in terms of the structures of the market, as a capital market, an institutionalized wealth creation and distribution mechanism, the market is coming together, okay? There's a lot of recognition of what the market is doing. I mean, recently, the Nigerian Stock Exchange has been admitted to the World Federation of Exchanges. There is integration of West African markets. All these are activities that are significant, okay? You hardly hear of these issues of, sale of shares, authorized sale and all that. There's a lot of discipline. In itself, the market is making, participants and the systems and the structures of the market, they're improving. But macroeconomic system within which the market operates is actually in such a difficult, in their situation.
Yeah,
that's what it
general
is.
economy.
And so you find that the market, obviously, all those things, we're talking about interest rates, we're talking devaluation of, the Naira, we're talking elections, where, so the fiscal and monetary challenges around the economy are what we have seen that impact the market so terribly. Okay? Yeah, but
okay.
Otherwise, yeah.